Okay, it's time for sensory diet activity for your foot massage. Okay. Give me your blankets. Okay, let's do this. Give me your feet. Massage. Yeah. You want massage? It's relaxing, huh? Give me your foot. Foot massage for David, everybody. My son is doing a great job. Massage, massage. Okay, it's time for study. Let's go. Sit down on your chair. It's time to study. Or do you want more? Say more. Do you want more foot massage? Say more, David. Say more. More. Say more. Say more first. More. Okay. Foot massage. Foot massage for David. Alright, it's time to study. Let's go, David. It's time to study. I'll get the toy, son. Get the toy. Let's do it. Yeah, you ran already, son. You ran already. Yeah, you want the foot massage? Okay. David, let's do it. Okay. Study time. Come here. Study time. Come here, son. Let's go. Give me your Play-Doh. Give me your Play-Doh. Thank you. Okay. Put on the top. Put on like this. Put on. Yeah. Good job, David. Alright. Good job, son. Now take off. Take off and put in. Okay. Take off. Put in. Put in. Put in. Put in. Less black. Put in. Okay. Put on the top. Yellow. Yellow. Okay. Get the purple. Blue. Okay, blue. Put on. Put on. Good job, David. Okay. Purple. Get the purple. Put on. Put on, son. Put on. You can do it. You can do it. Put on. Hold this. Like this. Put on the top. Good job, David. Woo! You can do it. You can do it. Okay. Take off and then put in. Take off. Take off, son. Take off. Take off and put in. Okay, you can do it. Take off, put in. Okay. Okay. Take off. Pull, David, pull. I know you're strong. Pull, David, pull. Pull. Put in. Put in. Put in. Put in. You can do it. You can do it. Put in. That's the last yellow, son. The last yellow. Put in. Good job. Alright. Okay, after this, where's your Play-Doh? Oh. Alright. We can do it. Okay, let's write a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's your turn. Wow, 1, 2, next, 3, 4, last one, and then swing. Last one. Good job. Okay, break time, son. Break time. Good job. Your blade is there.